Hello friends, welcome to CS Investway. Today in this tutorial we will discuss about Python lists method. So what are the Python lists method? Let's start. Before that I would like to discuss these all terms and their usage. First of all, we will check what is index and object. It returns the index value of the object. It means that when we use it, it returns only the index address of object. So the next one is count. It returns the number of time an object is repeated in a list. And then the next one is pop. It returns the last object or the specified indexed object. It removes the popped object. We will discuss with the example of one by one later. So insert index object. So it inserts an object at the given index. And the next one is extend. It adds the sequence to existing list. And the next one is remove. It removes the object from the list that we have given. The next one is reverse. It reverses the position of all the elements of a list. And the next one is the sort. It is used to sort the elements of the list. So first of all, create two lists. For example, list 1 is equal to assign some values 1 2 3 4 4 and 5 5 and 6 6 6 5 5. Okay, and create another list 2 is equal to 3 2 3 4 5 4 6 5 5 4 and 2 2 2 2 3 and write another 3 1. Okay, these are the two lists, and let's apply one by one operation on these lists. So for example, we are going to check the index number of this 1. So let's write list name, for example list 1, and the object of, for example list 1, and then the object of, for example we are going to write taking the index value of 5 4 4 and 4 dot index. Okay, and save it. Run this and check whether it is working or not. So it's working, but we did not print list yet. So print we can use it here, print check whether it is working or not. So you can see here it's return 3, which means that it is at index 3 0 1 2 and 3. It's on the index of third. So we can check for 655 655 and save it. Let's check whether it's on the index number 5. It means that it's index 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is all about. And now let's check the next one, which is count, and it is used to count the, it returns the number of times an object is repeated in a list. For example, we have repeat an element for this purpose 4 4 4. Okay, so let's write list print list 1 dot count, and then alright 444 and save it. So let's check whether it's working or not. So you can see it's two time, it repeated two time, one here and one here, it's repeated two time. This 5 is printed from here. So yeah, shit. Okay, save it and run it again. You can see it's print only two time. Okay, now let's move on the next one, that is list pop. So for example, we want to pop data. The method is that, for example, list print uh, list list one dot pop. Okay, list one dot pop. So save it and run it. And run it. Hit enter. You can see here 4 is pop at the end of list. And after that, let's print list 1, and for better understanding, print it before pop. Print list 1. So save it and check. Hit. You can see here, before that the list was this and this element was pop, and after that this list is look like this, and there is no more 444 at the end of list. So in this way the pop method can be used. And the next one is and the next one is and the next one is insert index object. Here we have to give an index and then we have to object. For example, we want to insert 32 in the list 2. We want to insert some element. So here print insert list 1 dot insert list 1 dot insert, and index number we will give an index number. For example, we want to add here 100, sorry, in list 1, add here at the index of 2 we want to add index 1, our value is 200, sorry, 200. Okay, and save it, and after that print the list, print list 1 and save it. Check whether it's working or not. So let's hit enter. You can see here it's added here and the other elements move toward right. So that's all about the insert. How can we insert any elements? And after that there is another extend. Extend. Let's understand how can we use extend. For example, we want to add two lists as we learned in the previous video. So here we can use this extend words also. So let's understand. For example, we want to extend in list 1, list 1 dot extend list 2. Okay, save it and print list 1, sorry, print list 1, save it and check whether it's working or not. So you can see here it's working and it is extended by list 2. So that's all. Now we have to check for the remove object. So how can we remove an object? For example, we want to remove 555. mm, I'll delete them here. For example, we want to remove 555, and here from data from list 1 dot remove, and the object is 555. And after that, let's print list 1 and save it and check whether it's working or not. So hit enter and you can see here there is no 555 more, it is removed. This is in this way remove method can be used. So the next one is reverse. Reverse, if we want to reverse or print elements from right to left or left to right, we can use reverse method. So here I'm going to use reverse the list 1. So how can use a reverse? For example, list 1 dot reverse, okay, and then okay, list 1 dot, and then print list 1. So before that I would like to print it before reversing. Print list 1, sorry, list 1, okay, save it and check whether it's working or not. So you can see here it reverses all the elements from 1 to 4 and then in reverse order. So in this way the reverse method can be used with list. So the next one is sort. So in sort we can sort any list in any order. So in this case we will sort the first for example here 32, 34. Oh, this list 2. Let's sort it. List 2 dot sort and then list 2 dot sort, okay, and print list 2, and before that I would like to print it before. Print list 2 and save it. Check whether it's working or not. So hit enter and you can see here. So this makes some confusion. So here you can see here 32, 34, 54, 54, 544 and 31. Here the list is sorted in ascending order. So 31, 32, 34, 54, 223 and 554. So in this way these methods are working. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you found this video helpful, share and like. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.